Menteri Rangba Ukondot Kisang Maha ka arpasan terik kelalingkon ula pelekir ki ya kamauti sin RD Block Office ha solat shua bantri kam ke Model Code of Conduct ha kini ke ayom election shiki ying darbar khasi bat Giant Hills Autonomous District Council. Ha kini ke sengi ladon lang u Abu Tahir Mondal Menteri ke sin RD ubat Charles Marngar MLA Dr. Celestin Lingdo MLA Abilash Baranwal DC ke Riboy District bat bonba ke ofisar ke Sorkar Jela. Ubat Charles Marngar MLA kamauti ula penpau ke jingkemen ke bakrau kini ke sengi da ke boong. Menta ke sengi ke long shisha ke jingkemen ke bakrau na ke benta jeng u bat ki pai ba jeng kini ke than na marla urlong ke jing angnut bat jing trang jeng ki pai ba baro shikata. Ubat Charles ula penpau ke jing sngongu ya Menteri Rangba uba lepin urlong ya ke jing pos new jeng ki pai ba kini ke constituency. Ha kini ke sengi Menteri Rangba ula samru ye ki MTAP shiki kena school bala Beijing lot na ke scheme Students Digital Learning.
Maju set. Gentlemen. Summon guard.
At this very juncture, we also have in our midst the Honorable MLA. We are very fortunate to have in our midst Shri C.H. Ramakrishna IAS, who is the Joint Secretary.
Thank you very much, sir.
Crowd, haga baga jimpa sniu tolan, lapen orang, haga ni sniu. The Chief Minister, John Gajala Kajani, usah kontrak sana. Ngai kulai terpang yang Chief Minister, lapen orang yang ni jimpula, ngala manom, unih Chief Minister, ubah omkan kekil, nrai. Cuma dengan join NPP kena kena kawin dari jingkawan, ya jingkawan jangan bat sisa kalau pulang. Ya jingkawan jangan ya ke blok ke berteman, kena kawin bat kelenong lagi ke chapter ke berteman, jangan ke bawah di konstitusi. Hari insan Quran senang, tapi kalau ya kejelah ke jangan. Mentang ya kesian Abi Blok hanya mawati. Kumu MLA jompi berkerja yang berpunca. I have my responsibility. Madam sedikit. Lalu kepercayaan keren namanya. Kesian mengasyim yang sedikit ini. Menghabannya semua. Nak menambah baik jangka konstitusi. Ngai beliau UCM nak buka, jadi simpiah dari tang yang negosiasi abdi blok baik ini. San puasnya kejelangi ledap. Irandon kumakrak naik di kisnang haborder di bawah school building. Ngalai yang joing officer, lady. Badmenda kita keseluruhan jam-jam orang. Semoga naik kembali, ya Chief Minister. Mulai rap depan dia ke konsumsi. Nasukumen Chief Minister ulat pulang. Berpeluang ya surok nasoli dan syamsia. Saya dijingkran. Ubah belum jangan ini konsumsi. Udah ini surok berangsa sesauko kilometer. Ngai kubrai kepanggil Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, Nagawanda belai kesurok morong 100 kilometer. Ngai kublai kepang yang chief minister yang kabinet belai yang surok mawas nai. Nama wasnai syakdo hati 40 kilometer. Ngai kublai kepang nama belai yang surok pamlatar 4 kilometer shen sapentraina. Ngai kublai kepang nama belai yang surok 100 kilometer berlai sesuatu lengkoi. Ngai kublai kepang Nagawanda usurak na sintumau sa mau tari ubila sedang tray mentah kidai mereka. Nga ay kublay kepang nagawanda usurak hakli utaro ubila sedang tray mentah sau mereka. Nga ay kublay kepang nagawanda usurak utray sambanay na dalam bagi NPP berkesoka lagat siang bang. Baik babi ISIS singkir kublay nagawanda usurak tapi kabinet semua. Sebab ini semua mengenai berjuang berkesokan. Dalam hidup lupa. Bagi babon, pinteran, berpinteran khawatir. Ngan sesak keren bangan sesak tempat. Mereka sacrifice. Ngan lennya lebih. Ngan rai nampak. Mereka bagi Dr. Sidenbrock. Bagi Pak Gabriel Wala Lanjan berkepati berkesoka nama nusutu ladang-ladang hakajuk kejata kemau hati jongi dan dan cinta kalau baca semangat umsak dan nyimpan yo ikasri yang di blok mendang si kalau baca semangat umsak dan umpat yo ini suruh baik-baik Ijai dulu dilihatnya, lalu hidup pau bersama, lalu hidup pau. Nasa penap sulai kalau sin haborkan, kejingkeli kalau ipara berperta ijai berbeda. Kalian sini sekolah lebih, laku bukan. Sebab ini, kau yang mengapa kalau ni ujian Islam.
That as a government we have been committed to taking administration closer to the people. There were close to 1 lakh people and population under the Umsling block. Some people in certain parts of the area had to travel more than 100 kilometers to be able to reach Umsling block. And that is why, as a government, we strongly felt that this must change. And therefore, this commitment to ensure that we are able to provide the services, the facilities closer to the people has led to this day being possible. I was jokingly speaking to Dr. Bong. I said, thank you so much for coming out here to be part of this program. So he was saying, yes, it's just a neighboring constituency. So I asked him, did you come to also bid farewell to those villages which will not be in Umsling block anymore? Umsling block was so big. As I said, it takes hours sometimes for people to come. And therefore, keeping that aspect in mind, even the pressure that was there under Umsling block for the officials to work, to cover the area, affected the kind of quality of service that we could provide at the grassroots level. And hence, as correctly mentioned by the Honourable Minister, that this will not only help the people of Mohati constituency, but will also ensure that the overall services within the Umsling block is also improved. I also would like to share with you on some administrative reforms that we have been working very hard for. They will take some time to happen, but we are working on it. As a government, in the last 7 years, we have seen that there are many services that the government provides, and people have to go to the block for a certain service, the subdivision for a different kind of service, and then to the district headquarters for other government services. And we have been exploring the possibility of being able to provide most of the services through the block offices themselves. Why should an individual have to go to the DC's office to get their caste certificate when we have a very strong and competent block office right there available? Is there a mechanism within the administration which we could reform, where the powers remain with the Deputy Commissioner's office, but the people don't have to travel all the way to the district headquarters for that service? And that should be available right there at the block office. Now this requires a lot of reforms, technological intervention, but this is something that we would like to see, that if possible, not just the block, we would like to see that we would be able to provide these services all the way at your doorstep. So recently we have started what we call the VDVs, the Village Development Volunteers. I think some of them might be here. And the concept of having these volunteers is actually to provide that grassroots and door-to-door service at the village level. So we have about 1,500 to 2,000 of them with handheld devices, technology in their hand. Hopefully, as the days come, as we move forward with these reforms, we are hoping that the senior citizens will not have to go to the block to get their old age pension.